So when our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has clearly told us that Isa, he said that I look at this, look at the wording, brothers. He said that I swear by Allah. I swear by Allah, Wallahi nafsi biyadi. I swear by Allah that Isa ibn Maryam will descend in you. Now I want all the people to listen this point very carefully. Our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the As-Sadiq al-Amin, okay, he is telling us he does not need to take any oath. He's a Sadiqul Masduq, okay? But just to put emphasis, he took an oath. And then he said, Isa ibn Maryam will come. If Isa ibn Maryam was not to come, what was the point of our Nabi Sallam telling us he will come? Ma'az Allah, Ma'az Allah. Are you saying he was confusing the Ummah? Come on. He wanted the prophets, they come to explain the matter. Think about this. Ahmadiyya community is telling us that when the Nabi Sallam was saying that Isa ibn Maryam will descend and he was taking an oath, now, the Ahmadiyya clergy want people to believe that he did not mean Isa ibn Maryam. What was the point of his oath? What was the point of all of this telling to us? So please think about this. So our point, the crux of the matter is, first it needs to be established that Mirza Sahib was Isa ibn Maryam. Because if we prove and if we have debate about the death of Isa, that's very important point. They want to debate death of Isa. You know why? Because they cannot prove that that Mirza was Isa ibn Maryam. So they want to keep all the debate on the topic of death of Isa alayhi salam. Guess what? There had been many people before Mirza Sahib, okay? And they said this, they were misguided people, okay? They said this kind of things that about the death of Isa alayhi salam. Are they Muslim? Are they truthful? No, because believing that Isa salam has died does not solve any problem between us and the Ahmadiyya community. That is the key point. Everybody pay attention. Our discussion, our point of contention is, was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Isa ibn Maryam? That is the discussion.